Okay, what we are looking at today is something known as ultrasound. So we all are familiar with this ultrasound, sonography. That's what we are very commonly known as, where we visualize the area what we are treating and we know what exactly is happening. So this is basically the magic of sound, you can say. It's a very, very simple technology. There is a sound energy which is used to basically create the collagen in your system so as to give you that lift, the rejuvenation and the younger looking skin what you want. So it's a very, very compact machine, doesn't require too much of manpower to use it actually. It's a very easy and a simple process, done within few hours, absolutely painless. You don't have any kind of discomfort with this machine. The procedures are in-house, you can just finish it off the patient within 1 hour. The patient can go back to the normal routine immediately after the procedure. And the results are amazingly because they are the natural way. So you don't feel that you have done anything or nobody around you knows that something is done to your face. So you can comfortably go back to your routine work. So if you look at this machine, it has a screen. Now we're going to on it. It has a handheld probe which we operate through, which through the sound waves are transmitted to the skin and the tissue. And then we have all the depths, like this machine caters to the deepest depth as 4.5 millimeters, then we cater to 3 millimeters at 1.5. So we deal with all the levels of skin, right from within to upwards, and this gradually helps you to build the skin and the tissue and gives the overall changes to your face. So I'll try to be as simple as possible, being non-technical. I know it's going to be a little difficult for me. So this is how the machines, everything is loaded in this machine. This machine has a predetermined software. It has a chart which you can see on the screen. And we have a particular way of marking the patient which we are taught to. And after the markings, you can just simply move the machine. Very easy to do this treatment. And you can see how we will just try to demonstrate. I'll show you the chart once this machine starts. We have all the parameters on the screen, so you exactly know where, at which depth are you treating the patient, what energy levels are you treating the patient, have you completely delivered the number of lines which you are supposed to. So all these things are being completely visualized here. So here we can see. So there is a screen where you have to put the patient's name, the operator's name, and everything is stored. So mind you, even if the patient comes to you after 6 months or 5 years or 6 years, you exactly know how many lines you have delivered in the past. If you really need only to retouch it, or you need to completely redo again the procedure. So the machine gives you the facility of storage. So this is how your machine looks. So this is the area where you can visualize your skin depth. So the layers of the skin you can visualize here. There's a scan board here. Then you can see the two sides of the faces here. So this is the chart which we normally follow when we do the treatment. So there are particular lines given. If you can see closely, there are a number of lines has been pre-described on the chart and we follow those lines. So there are no probability of going wrong if you're following this. Secondly, there is a place where you can actually see the energy which you can adjust according to your patient needs, and then you have the number of lines delivered. So you have a calculation here, you have the numbering here which keeps going as you keep treating the patient. So it's a very simple machine, plus there's a scanner where you can see the scanning, so you know exactly if you're treating the right tissue, if you're on a vessel, if you're on a bone, so you can avoid all these structures and treat the patient very effectively. So I think this is what your machine is. A very compact machine, easy to handle. The only consumable here probably is the cartridge which we use and a gel, ultrasonography gel again, which is easily available with us. I think Stigna, if you could help me with something more if you want to share. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Soma. That's a quick idea of the machine. And so anything more, consultation or anything, you can definitely walk through our clinic. We have some attractive coupons too, which we'll be distributing, which have very attractive offers for Ultherapy if you want to get it done. Now we have a very sort of celebrity guest, and I want to mention a very special person here, and we all know her very well. My one thing which I relate to her medically, which I say, she's one of the very few celebrities in India who has endorsed the contribution of medical science in making you beautiful openly. Rakhi Sawant is among us and is very proud. Really, I'm saying from all that I have seen her quote that doctor gives what God can't, right? And she is one of the very rare celebrities in India who has endorsed it openly. So, Rakhi, I would like any questions you would like to ask to our expert panel?